Hi friends, I've got Owen here who's going to help us do a project today. If you want to join, we are going to be making a bird feeder since spring is here and we want to be getting outside. So let me show you what we need. We're going to need some pipe cleaners, or if you don't have those, some wire of some kind, some ribbon. I have this fun little farm animal ribbon. And some cereal. We have some Cheerios. So let's get started. So Owen is going to show you how to do this. We're going to start by picking up a Cheerio and stringing it onto the pipe cleaner. We're going to push it all the way to the end and fill up your whole pipe cleaner with Cheerios. Alright, so we've got 3 of our pipe cleaners done. We've left a little on the ends so that we can tie them off. And Owen is going to show you how to make our first circle. You just twist the pipe cleaner together and that makes a circle. Hold it up, Owen. Okay, now we're going to loop the next one through that circle and twist those ends together. And then we're going to do one more. Loop it through. Alright, and then we're going to take our ribbon and tie a loop at the top. So Mom and Dad might have to do this part for you. Leave a little loop so we can hang it somewhere. Very nice. You want to hold that up? There's our bird feeder. And we're going to go hang it outside for the birds to enjoy. Thanks guys. Hope you enjoyed that video. Have fun. It's time to hang our bird feeder. We found the perfect spot. Nice.